Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Last video cut off, but as I was getting to was that I walked out my door for my appointment. As soon as I walk out, I see his freaking car. Oh no, I'm sorry. The dude beside me. He said next door, because I guess he's outside. He's like, "Hey, how you doing?" I said, "Hey." He was like, "Oh, sorry, the music was too loud." And I looked. His car was right out there. My freaking biological father was on the front. I'm like, what the frick is he doing on this side? So I'm like, man, what the frick is this bullshit? So I'm like, man, stalking ass nigga. He's stalking me right now. So I was just like, oh, whatever. Just went back inside. I know, even I did have to go take my dog out because that's what I was doing. So, because of my door and shit, I was like, whatever. And so, I'm just like, whatever. So then I went to go take my dog, and I saw him like, and I wanted to make sure. I'm like, yeah, that was his car. It was, but he's parking off on this side. He don't usually park there, and I'm just like, F that, man. I was, and I think because it was like snow and whatnot on that side, that's why he parked on this side. But it was just like, F that nigga. But he's camped out before. We saw him camp out all the way over here just to find out, at first, to find out what room we had. And I'm just tired of this. Nigga, we gotta leave here. Cause this nigga's happy. Like, he's like, oh yeah, he's still here. Bitch ass nigga. We gonna get the frick up out of here. I said one thing. I did say to myself, once we get such and such, we're gonna be out of here. We're gonna be out of here. And I made a promise to myself when I was meditating. Because I was trying to I was meditating, and I was just, for the clear-cut decisions. It's like, yeah, once we do that, we're gonna be out. We're gonna be out. And I made a promise. So it's gotta be done. Stuff gonna get done, stuff gonna get dead. You know what I'm saying? So, but most definitely, I don't know, I have this feeling. And, it's kind of like this thing, you got this feeling like you don't really want to even do much. So I hate the feeling of. But the thing is, I do stuff. That's the thing. I do things, and that's those things that the narcissist hates. Crafting and whatnot, getting things done while they're just meaningless and watching everybody else. I just don't like the draining feeling. I have to leave. I gotta leave. That's just in my heart right now. Trying to get things right. We're gonna get it right. For sure. Relax. Changing up my breathing.